Hello everyone. In the past sessions, we have seen the third chapter, Glimpses of the Past. Today we'll be continuing the chapter further. As you all know, this chapter is kind of a comic strip where the events in the past that took place have been explained. Majority of the events are based upon the colonial rule, how the Britishers ruled us and how we reacted to them, how our thinking was, what the oppression was on Indians, how our business was ruined, how our market was ruined. All these things were mentioned in these comic strips. Continuing further, today we'll be seeing the sixth topic, dissatisfaction. This was a period of 1835 to 56. Between this period, the people were completely dissatisfied by the Britishers, that is, by their colonizers. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. In 1835, an Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change. Here it is mentioned that in 1835, an Englishman, he said that the education system of India needs to be changed. But before that, our education system was totally based in Persian and Sanskrit language. हम इसके अलावा दूसरे लैंग्वेज में नहीं पढ़ते थे. We should teach the natives through the English language. I agree. English education produced clerks to whom the British gave petty jobs under them. Incidentally, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. By 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. We can see these pink and yellow colored states. Moreover, people amongst themselves, the Indians, they were willing to educate their brothers. They knew that English education will be changing the culture, and the future generation of the country will be no more the one who will be understanding their own culture, or they won't be following their own traditions. We must educate our brothers and try to improve their material conditions. For that, we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. The Indians decided that they should talk to the parliamentarians, that is the Britishers, so that the necessary changes be brought up in the educational system. They cared little about the needs of Indians. Our kings have become puppets and we have lost our old jobs and lands. They are converting our brothers. You only talk, do something to drive them out. When the people talked amongst themselves that what are the problems and issues in the country being faced by the people, they were so frustrated by them that they even said that only talks will not be working anymore. Some action needed to be taken to drive the Britishers out of the country. The sparks. Taxes continued to ruin the peasants. In Bengal, the Santals who had lost their lands under new land rules became desperate. Santals were the communities. In 1855, they rose in rebellion and massacred Europeans and their supporters alike. The Santals, they massacred मतलब कि उन लोगों पे हमला कर दिया था और सब कुछ वहाँ ख़त्म कर दिया था यूरोपियंस पे. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company's army too. That means even the East Indian Company was becoming discontent. They were not satisfied now. They were eager to earn money, take up the wealth. But now it was not that easy because the Indians were rebelling against them. The white soldier gets huge pay, mansions to live in, servants, while we get a pittance and slow promotions. Here, the English and the Indian soldiers are compared. The English soldiers, they used to get huge mansions, they used to get large pay, but compared to the Indian soldiers, they did not get anything. Indian soldiers हार्डली गॉट अ लिटिल पिटेंस. पिटेंस मतलब कि बहुत ही कम अमाउंट मिलता था और उनको प्रमोशंस भी नहीं मिलते थे. दी अंग्रेज आस्क अस टू क्रॉस द सी विच इज़ अगेंस्ट आवर रिलीजन. हमने आगे वाले एक टॉपिक में देखा था कि ये माना जाता था पहले के टाइम पे दैट इफ़ यू क्रॉस द सी योर रिलीजन गेट्स चेंज्ड. सो यहाँ पे पीपल, द इंडियन सोल्जर्स, दे वर अगेंस्ट दिस रूल कि जब ब्रिटिशर्स उनको सी क्रॉस करने बोलते थे तो इंडियन सोल्जर्स विलिंग नहीं थे. Who is the टोपी वाला to abolish our age old customs? टोपी वाला यहाँ पे मतलब कि the Britishers. We must drive out the अंग्रेज. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and was executed. आप लोगों ने ये मूवी में भी देखा होगा, मंगल पांडे ने एक ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल को मार डाला था, जिसकी वजह से मंगल पांडे को भी एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया गया था. Thousands of our sepoys revolted. They were stripped of their uniforms. उनको उनकी पोजीशंस नहीं दी गई थी. They were humiliated and they were put in irons. मतलब कि उनके कपड़े उतार के उन लोगों को जंजीरों में बांध के इम्प्रिजन कर दिया गया था. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian customs or the people's mind. O proud Brahmin soldiers, do you know that the grease on the bullet you have to bite is made from the fat of cows and pigs? What? The white man has deceived us too. Here, the Indian soldiers as well as the Muslim soldiers got to know that the Britishers were forcing them to use the cartridges which were made up of the grease that was taken from the fat of cows and pigs. Now, cow for Hindus is a holy animal and pigs is not considered to be a good animal in Muslim culture. So here, both the religious groups were unhappy with what the Britishers were making them do. The white man has deceived us too. That means कि Muslims thought कि हमें भी धोखा दिया गया है. Soon chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. Yes, all my village men will be ready. इस तरीके से सारे villages के लोग unite हो गए Britishers के against. Similarly, lotus flowers circulated amongst Indian soldiers. Death to the foreigner. The masses gave all help and shelter to the patriots. Even the soldiers gathered and they were along the people who were fighting against the Britishers then. Students, I hope the content is clear. Thank you.